Hi, in today's video, we're going to be looking at finding the length of a tangent. Let's look at an example. The line AP is a tangent to the circle x minus 5 squared plus y minus 4 all squared, which is equal to 36. If we pause at this point, we can determine the center, which is 5, 4, and we know that the radius of this circle will be the square root of 36, which is 6. At P, if A is a point, so we have a point on the circle, minus 4, 8, calculate the length, which is the distance of AP. If we put this into a diagram to look at what is happening, here's our circle. Remember, they're not drawn to scale. We have our center, which we got from the equation 5, 4. We know that the radius of the circle is 6. And we have a point A, which is minus 4, 8. Now we want to find the length of AP, which is the tangent. So I want to remind you firstly of the distance formula to find AO. And we're going to start with AO because we have both the points. And we can use the distance formula to find that. Remember, we have the radius, which is 6. Also, we know that OP is perpendicular to the tangent. That's from our theorem, which states that the radius is perpendicular to a tangent. So we can use Pythagoras. We have 6. If we find side AO, we can use Pythagoras and find AP. So we're starting with AO. Now remember, AO is equal to the square root. So if we find AO squared, we're squaring both sides, and that will eliminate the square root because a square root squared will cancel off. So we're finding AO squared, which is minus 4 minus 5 all squared plus 8 minus 4 all squared. And working that out, that will give us 97. Now remember, AO squared is 97. We don't need to find AO, and the reason is Pythagoras would want to use the square of the sides. So AP squared will be equal to AO squared, which is 97, minus PO squared, which is 6 squared. Remember, we are finding the length of side AP. So our hypotenuse is 97, and we have a side with 6. So our reason for that is Pythagoras, and if we work that out, that will give us 61. And to find AP, that will give us the root of 61, which is the length of our tangent. Thank you.